today, I'm waiting for a client at a venue in Stewartville, Minnesota. And while I'm waiting, something kind of came to me, something I read about before I got on the road to come out here. DJ was asking about contracts and retainers and deposits, and wanted to know kind of what other DJs thought about it. You know, somebody canceled on him, and should he give his deposit back? Well, let me give you my opinion on it. By the way, thanks for being a part of Creative License again. My opinion on deposits, it really depends on the person, the client you're dealing with, and honestly, the reputation you're trying to create. I have a retainer that I take, a booking fee. I use those words specifically because when they give me money for their event, they are really buying the date so that I can't sell it again, being that our dates are our only real inventory, and that's the way I do it. And if they cancel, it is a substantial deposit, so that if they do cancel, it hurts a little bit, because I don't return that retainer, that booking fee. Now, have I returned a booking fee? Yes. And why? Because I'm not really in the business of keeping retainers and booking fees. If I have to, because I could have sold it a couple of times, I may do that. But it costs me less in reputation, oftentimes, to return that booking fee than it is to hold it because of a rule that I put up. So it kind of comes down to the business. Can I book the date again? Is it far enough out? Do they have a really terrible story? I swear, as much as I have that rule, I've sent back more retainers and booking fees than I've actually kept. So what should you do? I think you should weigh heavily on whether or not you actually need that money, and if your reputation would be better kept if you gave it back or if you kept it. That's my take. What do you think about it? Put your stuff in your comments below, or email me at bill@billherman.com. Otherwise, have fun booking, have a great season, and of course I'll see you next week, Thursday, every Thursday. This is Bill Herman with Creative License.